Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand elite visas and whether or not there is a physical presence requirement associated with such status. Thought of making this video after watching a recent video by my friend and colleague Andrew Esquire on the Go East Asia channel here on YouTube. And we met personally and got along pretty well, and he's looking at sort of regional issues associated with foreign nationals, particularly Westerners, looking to move to Asia. And he was doing a video, I'll go ahead and link it up in the description below. He was doing a video regarding Malaysia, my second home, which we've discussed kind of briefly on this channel before. Malaysia, my second home, or MM2H, allows folks of foreign nationality to effectively reside in in Malaysia for a prolonged period of time. And we're talking decades, depending on the circumstances. There also may be an ability to buy a home on that program. There are a number of folks that find MM2H to be very beneficial. As we've discussed in prior videos, a lot of the financial requirements on that visa did go up. But one requirement that I was actually unaware of that Andrew brought up in his prior video is that it has a 90-day requirement for 90 days per calendar year of physical presence in Malaysia to maintain that status. So you're locked in, if you will, to Malaysia for a 90-day period every year. And that sort of raised the question in my own head, well, is this a requirement for example, Thailand elite visas, which you could argue is somewhat similar to the MM2H program, albeit it's not really a one-to-one comparison, kind of an apples and oranges thing. Again, there's a home ownership component to MM2H that does not at all exist with Thailand Elite. But one thing that can be said with regard to the Thailand Elite program, that 90-day residence requirement is not there. There's not that requirement to live in Thailand for 90 days out of every given calendar year. And in fact, in many ways, unlike, for example, the standard Thai retirement visa, Thailand Elite does not have much of any residence requirement at all. I mean, the sticker itself, the actual Elite visa sticker, very similar to the multi-entry one-year business visas we've talked about on this channel, which are almost an anachronism at this point. I haven't seen one of these issued since pre-pandemic, and I don't really foresee any of those being issued with any frequency anytime in the near future. But long story short, the Thailand Elite visa is issued with a 5-year validity. Every time you enter Thailand on it, you get an automatic 1-year visa stamp, 1-year lawful status at entry. You can come and go as much as you want on a Thailand Elite visa. There's not any kind of physical presence requirement here in the Kingdom of Thailand.